Try to solve this ACT math problem and let me know the answer in the comments below. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, so in the circle with center D shown below, the length of the radius CD is 4 and the length of BC is 1. BC is 1 right here. Okay, BC is perpendicular to radius AD and at B, and angle ADC is measured in degrees. Which of the following expressions represents the length of centimeters of AC? So we want to find the arc length AC. Okay, all right. So the first thing we're going to do here is we have a right triangle. So we have a right triangle, and so we're going to do SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. So what measurements do we have? We have from this angle. This is the angle we're interested in. So we have opposite length, which is 1. So opposite is 1, and then hypotenuse is 4. So sine of an angle is the opposite over hypotenuse from O and H. So 1/4 is sine of this angle. Let's call it angle CDB. Okay. Okay. All right. Now what we are going to do is essentially just find the inverse of that to get the angle measure itself. So the angle measure CDA is just simply the sine inverse 1/4. Okay. All right. So now we need the arc length. So we're going to use the arc. We need the arc length. Okay. So we're going to just set up a simple ratio proportion where we say if we go all around the circle 360 degrees, so 360 degrees is the representative of 2 pi. What's the radius? Is 4. 4 is the radius. Okay. And that is proportional to this angle CDA, which is sine inverse 1/4, and we need the arc length. So arc length. Okay. All right. So just now simply to cross multiply, and the arc length is going to be equal to, we can try to simplify some of this stuff. Sine -1 inverse 1/4 times 8 pi divided by 360 degrees. Now let's go ahead and simplify that. 8 goes into 45 times. So our final answer is sine inverse 1/4, and this is going to be pi divided by 45. Okay, that's going to be our final answer, and that's choice F right here. All right, let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. I'll talk next week. Have a nice day. Bye.